Is paying $50 more for a new iPhone something you're okay with? Because that's exactly what Apple might be asking from you when the iPhone 17 lineup arrives. For the first time in a while, Apple is likely raising the price of its next phones, and this time, it's not just about the features. According to a report from investment bank Jefferies, the iPhone 17 series could be at least $50 more expensive than the previous models. And no, this isn't about adding more storage or boosting camera performance. The main reason behind this hike seems to be a mix of rising component costs and US tariffs on products made in China. Apple has been holding off price increases. For years, even the iPhone 16 series didn't see any changes in price. But with global supply chain issues and tariffs creeping up, that couldn't last forever. Apple now appears ready to shift some of that burden onto the buyers, while the extra $50 might not seem like a huge deal to some. It's just the beginning. This increase is expected to apply to every iPhone 17 model, including the new iPhone 17 Air. Keep in mind, this $50 figure is only an estimate based on current conditions. If things like supply shortages or new trade restrictions show up, prices could climb even higher. Interestingly, Apple is trying to ease some of these issues by moving more of its manufacturing from China to India, but that hasn't gone unnoticed. President Trump has already spoken out, calling out Tim Cook and saying he wants iPhones to be made inside the United States. On the other hand, Samsung hasn't been under that same spotlight. Since it's not an American company, it has mostly dodged public pressure. Plus, Samsung started shifting production away from China years ago, which helps them avoid the same level of impact from tariffs. This means that, even though some Galaxy models are more expensive than iPhones right now, Samsung has more control over how much those costs rise in the future. Some people are also complaining about the iPhone 17 Pro design. The feedback so far hasn't been great, and when you mix that with higher prices, it creates a tough situation. Apple could be facing one of its least popular phone releases in a long time. But let's be honest, this is Apple we're talking about. People said the same thing about older models, yet Apple's sales keep going up every quarter. So while many may hesitate, plenty of users will still line up to grab the iPhone 17. And don't forget, next year's iPhone 18 could get even more expensive. That's also when Apple is rumored to introduce its first foldable phone, and let's be real, that's not going to be cheap. In the end, a $50 increase might not cause a storm now, but it sets the tone for what's coming. Apple's strategy seems clear: keep innovating, move production where needed, and let the market catch up to the price tags. If people are still buying, the prices will keep going up. So, what do you think, is a $50 jump fair, or is Apple pushing it too far this time? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more updates.